Where'd you learn about liquidity? Liquidity for me is like just range one fake out. Like I kind of learned that throughout the years. Like I wouldn't even call it liquidity. There's so many things we can call it. I just call it liquidity so you guys can like have I guess like a word to refer to, you know. But if I were to explain it, it'll be much more than just saying the word liquidity. You know what I mean? Because technically speaking, like this is a range form, right? If you were to be on a downtrend, for instance, right? Let me do this real quick here. If you were to be on a downtrend and you were to come down, right? All of a sudden, you're back into this range here. Price closes bullish at support. This is a range we're in now, blah, blah, whatever it is, right? Cool. All of a sudden, you have a candle coming up like this above the range. What does that indicate? That's a range one fake out. We knew that from last year. That's a range one fake out, right? Because the trend is bearish, right? And if in order for us to take buys, we'll need a range two breakout. So then we'll need this to close, respecting support, right? Respecting this support, which these candles to the left have never done before. And then if you were to close above, sure, you know, you can take the buys going back up to retest the highs. That won't be liquidity. If anything, you might need liquidity down here to drive up, right? But then this will be the buys we'll take off this candle high. But if that doesn't form and you close back into the range, that's your fake out, right? So like that'll be your fake out for you to continue down towards the next support. And if you were to look at this on a higher time frame, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candles here, right? So 8 candles, you have, let's say around this is a 15-minute time frame. If this is a 15-minute time frame, the 1 hour, how it'll look is it'll look like this. So then this top wick here, right? This top wick right here would be your liquidity, because you came up from here. This is your high on price, right? This is your high, this is your low, this is your low. That was the first 1 hour close around here, right? Or 1 2 3 4, yeah, around here. This is your low, right? And then you have a high up here, high up there, and this is your new high, right? So that's your second hour candle. This is your first hour, right? This is your second hour, and then your first hour here is the first 4 candles, because 4 15-minute candles. And then this is your second hour 4-hour candle, or second 15 candles set of candles, right? But these two candles equals up to 2 1 hour candles. So if these were 2 1 hour candles, this is how it's gonna look. So if that's how it looks, then this is your top wick. That's your liquidity wick, right? In other words, you can just say a fake out. You can just say range one fake out, whatever it is, right? But that's how I came up with liquidity. That's how like that's how I would describe it being formed.